Hi everyone, just got another quick bit of an update. Can't really do much more on the assembly of the tub, so I'm just winding up doing a few of the little jobs now, which is sort of patching up rust holes, and one of them was in the side panel here, and that, which as you can see was quite a substantial rust hole there, sort of where the bracing went in from the tub to the wheel arch. So what I did do, as I say, you can see it's there, just to cut out the rusty part and then made up a new section to go in, which is one of the spare side panels which I had there. Just chopped it up really to get me some good steel, and that's it. Was flat, so I did have to form this edge, which as you can see is curved. Not really too difficult to do. What I did do was make up a template here just out of some plywood I had. There's this bit, and basically just laid it on the arch there, and I drew around it underneath, cut it out to give me the curve, and that, as you can see there. And then obviously my new bit of steel, laid it in, and that, which obviously was flat, and then made another one, clamped it down to the bench there, and then literally just started and rolled the edge over with the hammer, just slowly working my way along, backwards and forwards, tapping it, and that, until I actually formed that lip and that curve there, and that then, which is this here then. Let me see if I can get this out. And there we go. There we go. So that's then what I ended up with, and that then, as you can see there, I even managed to get in the slight curve, and that from this line around here, detail line, and I managed to get that done. Literally just popped it on my bench here, just a bit of flat steel there, and just tapped it along the pencil line there, and it slowly just put a slight radius indentation in it. Bit hard to see because there's not a lot of shape to it, but it did get me just enough, and that to follow that shape. I mean, it probably will need a little bit of filler when it's all done. Oh, let's stick that one. Come on. In there. But I was very pleased with the way and that it actually came out. I'm trying to do this one-handed. But there, as we can see there. So all it wants, just, welding in now. Very pleased with the way that's come out. And that's as I said, not too difficult to make up. Just some bit of plywood and a bit of patience with a dolly hammer. I did put at the last little bit, just in the middle there, just put a little bit of heat on it, just from a standard blow lamp. Didn't have to heat it up red or anything, just a little bit of heat there. I was just worried that it might actually split the steel, but it didn't. And that, so yeah, so very pleased. But I just thought I'd give you only a small update, because I've got gates to do at the moment, so I was just waiting for steel and that to be delivered. So it's really just sort of picking a job I can do, in an evening, and that without having the tub all set up here on a cut trestle. So this, as I say, it's just those little small jobs, and that they don't seem like a long time doing them, but when you've got quite a few of them to do, they soon mount up. So just tackle it one little job at a time. So yeah, but that's all that is. Really just a quick update of just what I've managed to get done this evening, and that just making up that repair section there. So I'll say bye for now and see you on the next one. Bye.